Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on a video that I upload.
Hey guys, it's me, DJ Upinsha. This is the CORD DJ-U turntable. I'm going to be an unboxing video and how to set up this turntable. I got this today. I'm really excited to show you guys how to set this up. So I'm opening the box. It's brand new, not used. It will come with a user manual and just some other stuff inside, and the slip mat with it's to the turntable, so it's pretty heavy. I mean, like, it's got the foam around it, it's got the slip mat. So we're gonna take it out. Alright, so let's take the slip mat off with this tape here around the bubble wrap. So it says CORD on it. Here's the hole for the spindle on the thing. Let's put that down here. Now here's the turntable. We will need to take it out and put it somewhere safe so it doesn't get stepped on. So we're going to take the foam sides off. So we're going to have to carefully take it out somehow. So the foam inside here, it's pretty strong because it's really hard to do. So when you first take this off, it's taped together, so it's really hard to take off. The needle's there, and the 45 adapter for the vinyl that has a big hole to it. So I'm gonna take this off, lift this, and there it is here. So there is the turntable. Okay, now we need to get the other side. Lift this up. See how it's going up there? So it's very, very hard to get out. See, they want to make it very secure. Now we can take this off. There's the turntable. We're gonna have to set it up. This is the lid for it, so the dust cover. Make sure you always keep these. Now, we're gonna take it out very carefully. What we're gonna do first is we're going to... See, you wanna be careful because the tone arm here could get stuck and you could break it. Okay, so in this bag, I have found the RCA cables that you could plug into your mixer. Here's the USB recording thing to plug into your computer. And here's the RCA cable that would go into your mixer, speakers. Here's the moment of truth. We're going to reveal it. I've got to be very careful. So this is it. What you're seeing here is the tone arm where you put the needle onto the record and start playing music. Here is the speed, 45 RPM and 33 RPM. Here's the pitch slider, so like beat match and stuff, slide that up and down. Here's the plus, here's the minus, and here's the start and stop button. Here's the power. And if you see here, if that's moving, if the small is moving, that's 33 RPM. The big one's moving, that's 45. So this is the lever where you have up before. If you want to have it in a specific place, you put it where you want it. and then you'll have this up and you'll lower it. Here you would normally have the counterweight. Here's the anti-skate, so it doesn't, instead of going, it's staying in the groove and playing the music, it doesn't go from, if you put it from the start, it doesn't just go sliding across into the middle. Now, this is the platter. This is where you would put your vinyl and the lip mat. Here where you would put the 45 adapter there. And these are the hinges for the dust cover. Now, here is the target light. This is the back of the turntable. Here's the USB. Now, whenever you plug in the USB port, make sure that's online. If you have it on phono, it could damage your computer. Now, over here is the RCA cables, which would go into your mixer, your speakers. Make sure you have it on phono. Or if you have it online, it's just not gonna work. It could damage your speakers and stuff. Now this is the power cord here. You would plug this in to your power supply. So make sure when you plug this in, make sure you have it at the right voltage. And this turntable is a direct drive, not a belt drive. Importantly, you're going to make sure that you read this before you turn anything on, because there's lots of setup stuff to do with this turntable. This turntable comes with a mostly liked Audio-Technica AT3600L cartridge. So this is the counterweight for the back of the tone arm. You'll have to screw this on. So here at the front is where how much grams, like the tracking force. These are the numbers for the tracking force, and you would, instead of moving the first bit here, you could move the whole back to make the turntable go from this, like doing this to like straight. So when you're doing this, you want to turn it the way I'm doing it until it grabs the shaft, and then you'll stop. I'm using the professional Audiophone banana tips instead of the Audio-Technica because it's better for scratching, and that's what I'm going to use. So what you're going to do to put this on, you have to hold it and then screw it to the right until it won't move anymore. And make sure you have the dust cover on if you have one, to make sure it doesn't fall off and scratch and break the needle. So I am going to put this lip mat on. See, it says CORD on it. What you're gonna do is line it, push it down very carefully, and it's done very easily just to put it on. Make sure you don't you don't push it and break that. See, when it's gonna. So we're not gonna put the dust cover on, so we can set up the rest of my mixer and put this on and show you how it works. So this is the turntable with its dust cover on. That's how it looks. Now we're gonna play a record on it. So this is my vinyl of choice. Gonna carefully put it on. Now you just gotta spindle. Quick tip before you start playing your records on the CORD direct drive USB turntable, you wanna make sure at the back that it's on phono instead of line, because we figured out the hard way how to make it sound good, because we accidentally had it on line, but we switched it to phono and it just sounded how it should. So let's flip this up, start the platter, just move, and lower it. So this is called attention. This is called attention. You can find it on YouTube if you want to listen to it. And this is the picture. That's minus. Plus across the record. You can see the yellow light, and you can see that the one isn't moving and one is. If I pitch it down, they stop moving, and if I speed it up, one's not moving. Because it's telling you that. Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on a video I upload. And I'll see you in the next video.